Good evening, all of you. I'm Chaitanya, working as assistant professor in BVC ITS. Now, I'm going to discuss about marketing management. So, what is marketing management? Functions of marketing. So, everything you need to know about the what is marketing management. So, marketing is the flow of goods and services from producers to consumers. It performs all managerial functions in the field of marketing and also identify to the market opportunities and comes out with appropriate strategies for exploring those opportunities profitability. So it has to be implement marketing programs and evaluate continuously to the effectiveness of to the marketing mix. So it consists of these activities involved in the flow of goods and services from the point of production to the point of consumption. It involved a marketing involved in the flow of goods and services, goods or services from the point of production to point of consumption. To start with point of production and ends with point of consumption. So marketing is identified to the customer needs and wants and satisfy those needs. So finding out what people wants and creating products, services or ideas that match those needs. Okay, so it with appropriate strategies for to the exploring those opportunities profitability. So it has been implementing marketing programs and evaluate to the continuously to the effectiveness of to the marketing mix. So what is marketing mix? So marketing mix is a 4 P's: production, place, price and promotion. 4 P's means it is a production, place, price and promotion. Marketing management facilitate the activities and functions which are involved in the distribution of goods and services. It facilitates the activities and functions which are involved in the distribution of goods and services. So marketing management is a planning, organizing, controlling and implementing of marketing programs and marketing policies and also strategies designed to create and satisfy the demand for the firm's product offerings or services as mean of generating and acceptable profit. And also it deals with the creating and regulating the demand and providing goods to the customer for which they are willing to pay a price with their value. It means it is the art and science of choosing target markets and getting, keeping and growing customers through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. Creating, delivering and communicating to the superior value. So marketing management in simply words to marketing is to identify the customer needs and wants and satisfy those needs. Selling concept is focus on to how to sell their products, but marketing concept is identify the customer needs and wants. Okay, and next functions of marketing. So functions of marketing, the marketing process to perform certain activities and as the goods and services more from the producers to consumers. All these activities are not performed by every firm because they must be carried out by any company that wants to operate its marketing systems successfully. Okay, the functions of marketing: selling, buying and assembling, transportation, storage, standardization and grading, financing, risk taking, marketing, information. Selling concept to focus on to the how to sell their products. Selling is a core of marketing. It means it involves transfer of ownerships goods to the buyer. Transfer of ownership of goods to the buyer. It plays an important part of realizing the ultimate aim of earning profit. Selling main concept is to earning profits, but marketing concept main aim is to satisfy the customer needs. Effectiveness and efficiency in selling determines the volume of company profits. To focus on to the company profits, marketing concept also focus on to the profits but also focus on to the customer needs and wants. And next one, buying and assembling. So buying and assembling, buying means it involves what to buy, of what quality, how much from whom and when and at what price, etc. So a manufacturer has to buy and also a wholesaler has to buy and a retailer has to buy. In simply words, the products that a retailer buy for resale are determined by the needs and preference of their customers. And also a manufacturer to buy raw materials, spare parts, equipments, machines, etc. for carrying out his production process. And also retailer activities, a wholesaler buy products to resell them to the retailer. Okay, and the next one, transportation. Assembling means to purchase necessary component parts and to fit them together to make a product. Assembly lines indicates a production line made up to purely assembly operations. Assembly line is an arrangement of workers and machines in which each person has a particular job and the work is passed directly from one worker to the next until the product is complete. Okay, assembling is a assemble the materials or goods. Next one, transportation. It means by which goods are moved from the places where they are produced to those places where they are needed for consumption. It creates place and utility. Transportation creates place and utility. It is essential from the procurement of raw materials to the delivery of finished products to the consumer places. So marketing relies mainly on railroads, trucks, and waterways, pipelines, and air transport, etc. And next one, storage. It involves holding of goods in proper condition from the time they are produced until they need by customers or by the production department. And also storing protects the goods from deterioration and helps in carrying out surplus for future consumption or in use in production. Okay, storage. And the next one, standardization and grading. So standardization, the other activities that facilitate marketing, standardization and grading. So standardization means it is establishment of certain standards or specifications for products based on intrinsic physical qualities of any commodity. So it involves under quality and quantity. Quality means color, shape, material, taste, appearance, sweetness, etc. But quantity means weight and size. Okay, next, grading. So grading means it is a qualification of standardized products into certain well-defined classes or groups. It means it involves the division of products into classes made of units possessing similar characteristics of size and quality. And next one, financing. It involves application of the capital to meet the financial requirements of agencies dealing with various activities of marketing. It means the financing is required for the working capital and fixed capital. So fixed capital and working capital, which may be secured from the three sources. First one is owned capital and also bank loans and advance and trade credit. And next one, risk taking. So every business has face a risk. Risk means loss due to some unforeseen situations. Risk bearing in marketing means the financial risk invested in the ownership of goods held for an anticipated demand, including the possible losses because of fall in prices and the losses from spoilage, depreciation, fire, etc. Okay, and next one, marketing information. So marketing information, it is mostly important function of any organization. So the importance of this facilitating the function of marketing has been recently marked. So the only sound of foundation on which marketing decisions depend is timely and correct market information. So modern marketing requires a lot of information adequately and accurately and speedily. So it makes a seller know when to sell, at what price to sell, who are the competitors, etc. So business firms collect, analyze, interpret facts and information from internal sources such as records, sales people, etc. And also various internal sources and external sources. External sources like business publications, government reports, etc. And also retailer need to know about sources of supply and also about customer needs and wants and customer preferences. And also even ultimate consumers need market information about availability of products, their quality standards, and also their prices. So marketing information, so a manufacturer, consumers, and also a retailer and as a wholesaler